Time for your business news now. Stepping in for my colleague Wairimu Njenga. And the government will place persons living with disabilities in various institutions for paid internship programs in the digital skills sector. Mary Kerema, Secretary at the Ministry of Information, Communication, Technology and Digital Economy, says the government's Ajira digital platform is being reviewed to empower persons living with disabilities with hands-on experience and confidence in pursuing digital opportunities.
The Ajira digital program is an initiative of the government whose mission is to enable 1 million young people to access digital and digitally enabled jobs. The program aims to position Kenya as a choice labor destination for multinational companies and a global freelancing hub. Mary Kerema, the Secretary at the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology, says through the initiative, young people living with disability will be empowered in a move to drive innovation, inclusivity and prosperous society for all.
We recognize the immense potential of persons with disabilities and their invaluable contribution to our society. To this end, we have implemented various policies and programs aimed at empowering PWDs and promoting their inclusion in the digital economy.
We've been able to partner. We have over 70 young people, PWDs, who've benefited as apprentices, who've gotten stipends, who've been able to support and work with very specific organizations that are our partners. But in general, as we've trained almost 12,000 young people every month across the country.
They were speaking during the launch of Ajira for Persons with Disabilities apprenticeship program in Nairobi, which will see persons with disabilities access free training to participate in the digital economy.
We are really committed to see results that are going to benefit persons with disabilities. They are there in their numbers. They are people who are supposed to live independently.
I appreciate when we teach them in school and they come to you people and you give them jobs to empower them economically, to make them become persons that can be useful in the society.
Frederick Mwoki for Prime Edition.